Hi everybody, my name is Carlos Guzman. I belong to Group 31 to the University UNAT, Universidad Nacional Abierta a Distancia. I will explain the activity. First moment. My name is Carlos Eduardo Guzman Ferreira. I am 24 years old. I'm from Bogota and I live in the same city. I'm single at the moment. At the moment I live with my parents and my siblings. I made a career as a non-commissioned officer in the Colombian Air Force for 2 years and I obtained the rank of aero technician in 2017. I studied telecommunications engineering and I am currently in my 8th semester. For the second moment, the most interesting place I have visited was in San Antonio, Texas, where I had the opportunity to visit several places in this state, such as Six Flags Amusement Park. I visited NASA, SeaWorld, Corpus Christi, among others. The experience was wonderful. It is a new and different world that the one we know in Latin America. I visited this place in the month of January until April, and the weather was warm. Although there were sunny days, but it was very windy. The part of the video, I chose the Saudi company Aramco for directing exercise because it is the #1 company that pollutes the air in the world, but the high productions of carbon dioxide and methane, which is the main cause of the current climate crisis, since excessive emissions of this gas are the main causes of global warming and the greenhouse effect on our planet. The lawsuits filed against this company was to take legal actions before the UNEP. The solutions that can be proposed to the company in the face of these high greenhouse gas emissions are the stop the explosion of oil and use energy sources such as natural gas for the sustainability of the planet. This was all. Thank you.